So in front of me I've got Skullcandy Push Active. In this video I'll show you the button's controls. Firstly, let's start with press one time the functional button. On either earbud, if you press one time this button, you'll play pause the music or answer and end the calls. To volume up, press functional button twice on the right earbud. To decrease the volume, press twice functional button on the left earbud. Press and hold the button on the left earbud for 1 second to launch and play Spotify. Press and hold the functional button on the right earbud for 3 seconds to share audio between two Skullcandy products. Press once and release, then press again and hold to pair new device. If you find this video helpful, please leave one like, comment and subscribe.